Hi, my name is Jeremy Spears, and this is my persuasive speech. Hello, my name is Jeremy Spears, and I'm going to tell you about all the benefits of constructing the PATH project. Imagine going about your everyday routine and suddenly the lights go out, and you think to yourself, did I pay the bill this month? But it's not just you, it's millions of customers without power all at the same time. It was due to a national power grid failure because it is overloaded. A blackout happened in 2003 and affected more than 50 million customers and cost about $8 million. None of us want this to happen because these days, well, everything runs on electricity. From our phones to our iPods to even our cars nowadays. Since more and more things use electricity, there is a much greater demand for electricity than 20 years ago. Completing the PATH project with a Potomac-Appalachian Transmission High Line project would help this problem not to happen in the future. It would create new jobs and cut down the risk of having another power grid failure in the future. In 2005, President George W. Bush signed the Energy Policy Act. This policy was designed to build a modern power grid like the one we have for our phone lines and the highways. This goal would make the energy more affordable and cost less to consumers. It would also have a higher degree of reliability and security. The PATH project is a 276-mile long, 765 kilovolt transmission line. The line will start at the Amos station just outside the John Amos Power Plant in Putnam County to a future substation in Frederick County, Maryland. A couple of different transmission companies will construct the new line in segments to complete the project. They have to first plan a route that is cost efficient and best suitable for the environment. Then they have to apply for permits, and after those are approved, then they start building the structures and stringing the lines. This project is expected to take about 4 years to complete. The project would create new jobs also, because while the transmission linemen work on the construction of the new lines for 4 years, the other linemen will have to do their jobs. That's why they would need to hire new linemen, which in return would help out the economy. But you probably think these jobs are just temporary, but they're not, because I've been told that a lot of transmission linemen from one of the companies involved with the PATH project would retire on this job. So therefore it's helping the future linemen get jobs earlier. This single circuit 765 kilovolt line would be more environmentally safe because the rights of way would be much smaller than if there were 4 to 6 circuits of smaller voltages running through the hills. The 765 line will only have a 200-foot right-of-way instead of a 450-foot right-of-way on smaller voltage structures. Also, there would be fewer structures, which would mean less soil will be disrupted and less animals will be displaced, which is better for the environment. Here's a diagram showing the different widths of the right-of-ways depending on each type of structure and its voltages. As you can see here, the 765 line is much more efficient because it requires much less right-of-way than the others. Also, it can hold the same amount of power as the other lines that have more structures. With the 765 kilovolt line, you wouldn't need as many structures as you would a 345 line. The same amount of power can flow through one, but the right-of-way is different, and the 345 lines would need 900 foot, while the 765 line will only need 200 foot. So the facts are that the PATH project is environmentally safe and a win-win situation for everybody, including the environment. As you can see here, there's 6 lines running throughout the whole entire way, while here there's only 1. So it'll be less soil disrupted. Although the PATH project would be very expensive, it is vital to improve the nation's electrical grid. The project would provide many new jobs in our region and give us a more affordable electric bill. In this economy, everyone wants a break somewhere. So why not construct something that will help our nation, our region, and maybe even you? I hope that I have provided enough information about the PATH project so that you can see it is a plan that we need to take.